Man, how you edit on this? Dre, you know what made it? Man, you know? I'm not from around here. You can't tell me what y'all do? Dre, hurry up.
In TVP, we edit some big things where it goes down. You about to learn our names. We been in the lights cause our edits always major. Open up Premiere, finna show you how to edit.
Logan making me sweat, coffee on my breath. Control S and Control Z, really can save you some stress. Export and saving, that's what's on your test. Man, I'm big me. Y'all already know. You can find us here, we producing all our shows. Got our camera here, oh now we on the road.
Welcome to the TVP Country Music Video.
TV1, TV2, I'm the big host.
Edit on Premiere Pro.
On Premiere.
On Premiere Pro.
Edit on Premiere Pro.
On Premiere.
On Premiere Pro.
Edit on Premiere Pro.
On Premiere.
On Premiere Pro. This is how we throw it down on Premiere Pro. Export the clips off the card. Paste the clips to the folder now. Open Adobe. Name the project video, then you're set to go. Now you can watch your clips in the project panel. Drag clips to the line is what we call a timeline. Then mark your clips in and out, then move them all about.
You can find us here, we producing all our shows. Got our camera here, oh now we on the road.
Welcome to the TVP Country Music Video.
TV1, TV2, I'm the big host.
Edit on Premiere Pro.
On Premiere.
On Premiere Pro.
Edit on Premiere Pro.
On Premiere.
On Premiere Pro.
Edit on Premiere Pro.
On Premiere.
On Premiere Pro. This is how we throw it down on Premiere Pro. You slide to the left, we gon' teach you the steps. Click H-head and bring it down, then slide and use race stretch.
Use skip to the same time.
You don't zoom to magnify.
Now use your tools and pull through, cause that's how we edit. You can find us here, we producing all our shows. Got our camera here, oh now we on the road.
Welcome to the TVP Country Music Video.
TV1, TV2, I'm the big host.
Edit on Premiere Pro.
On Premiere.
On Premiere Pro.
Edit on Premiere Pro.
On Premiere.
On Premiere Pro.
Edit on Premiere Pro.
On Premiere.
On Premiere Pro. This is how we throw it down on Premiere Pro. Who slide to the left? We gon' teach you the steps. Click H-hand to bring it down, then slide and use race stretch.
Skip to the same time.
Zoom to magnify.
This is how we throw it
down in Premiere Pro.